as long as it says record, it'll be recording him. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's see. Let's see you get Spider-Man arms. Are you filming him getting his arms? You might have to step back a little. Are you showing his arms? Brother's getting Spider-Man arms. These are gonna stay on in the tubby. Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
I might need Spider-Man
You might
arms.
like those too?
You like your new mouth? Yeah, I bet you do.
Is that the round page? And then
You like panda bears too? Well, you have to go over to our house and see our big panda bear and tell them.
okay, now we're gonna make him look like Spider-Man. Now these Spider-Man arms are gonna stay on in the tubby.
Wow.
What do you think of that? But when you get tired of them and you don't want them anymore, you will just take some shampoo or some dish soap or some hand soap and you'll rub it on here and it'll make it come off, because this is swim paint. So it doesn't come off with water. You have to rub liquid soap on it, okay? How's our movie doing? Are we getting a movie for Bro to see?
Oh yeah.
Oh boy, you are totally Spider-Man. And your arms are gonna stay Spider-Man overnight. How's that? So when you look at your arms in the morning, you'll be like, I am Spider-Man. I am still Spider-Man.
I remember my first
Pretty cool, Spider-Man.
Hey Ryan, did you want to do squiggles in this?
No. Very cool.